Tucker AstroScience Center is a place for students to come and learn about the universe, to learn how to do astronomy, learn how to do research, and just basically enjoy the universe around them.
I would think it's odd, and I think a lot of people think it's odd because we're living in Miami. There's so much light pollution, you can barely look at the sky, especially if you're in like downtown Miami. But you can actually see a lot of things with this telescope that we have and where we are.
In this control room, which is a fairly unique place because it's built to look like a Starship bridge, I have high school students, undergraduates, and graduate students working here on a regular basis. So a lot of this stuff is, I really want to take this to the students and let the students enjoy these facilities.
It's definitely advanced in the sense that this control room is sort of the hub of like networking throughout the entire building. From this room we can remote operate 3 different telescopes. Actually, it's soon to be 4. Soon to be 4 different telescopes around the world. One of them is in Arizona, one of them is in Chile, one of them is actually being constructed by Peter, the engineer, in the Canary Islands, and then we also have the one on the roof. Our signature event is the Star Party, and that's something that will be a staple for the Astronomy Club for hopefully the rest of its life.
We take out the telescopes. We have, I think, an 8-inch and a 12-inch telescope that we usually take out on the roof. And we just aim it at anything that's out in the sky that night. And we'll explain like what the formation is, maybe the background behind it.
Every time we have a Star Party, we have tours down through here, and it's difficult getting people out of here. I'm usually here until about midnight trying to get people to leave because nobody wants to leave this room.
I have been to 5 star parties in the past. I was able to look at different things like nebulas and planets and understand a little bit more about how they work, how quasars work, Dr. Webb's research.
If there was no astronomy program or if there was no AstroScience Center, I would know that I wanted to study astronomy, but I wouldn't have the skills and the background. It would be very limited, but with this, it's opened a lot of doors for me, I think, and it'll help a lot of people also in the future.
The AstroScience Center represents an attempt for us to actually look out into the universe and actually move out beyond the small confines of South Florida and the Miami community and get out in the universe and do things.